Yeah, hello friends. Good afternoon. How are you all? How's going your day? So today we are just here to have some more educational content which can be helpful for you and your friend, family, whoever wants to learn something different or something new. So let's start. So as of now, market is little bit looking under stress. So what we can understand that we have to be cautious and little more. We will see Nifty and Bank Nifty today. See, this is nothing as recommendation provided here. It's just for the educational purpose. So if you feel that you need to learn something or you will grow something with this, it will be uh, very good if you try to learn something new or try to do something which is more creative, more sensible, instead of just chasing behind something. Try to build something or try to have more knowledge about that thing, then it will be more creative from your side. So as we start now, we'll see this is Nifty in front of you. Today's it has already given little struggle actually, it seems. Let's see the smaller time frame. We have to go to hourly. Hourly also 1 2 3 4 hours have been done, and still it is not so strong looking as of now. It's trying, but not a free fall as of now. That also we can feel. So along with that, if we see Bank Nifty is little more in a better way, we can feel so. Okay. Is open here. It's open at 59,039.15, and right now it's 59,172. Open at 59.0. Okay, not so much variations, but still it is trying to sustain. Okay. Yes. So we see like Nifty is negative and Bank Nifty is working fine. So you can see on a smaller time frame, go to 30 minutes. Let's see in 30 minutes how it's working. This is a very strong support for Nifty. It's not looking like very bearish, but it's not looking like very strong as well, but not a free fall. That is a good thing at least. It gave us this this candle was looking a little more bearish effect, but next one strong, then again fell and again touching the day low. It's broken. The low of the starting first candle has been breached now within 30 minutes. We are going to close in next 15 minutes. Let's see more smaller to 15 minutes only. We see, yeah. Okay, so their low has been breached. If it takes support or it's just okay. So let's see whether it takes a support or it just breached this level. If this breached the level, then it can be little more difficult to manage, but it can take support also, because here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7 times it has taken a 7 to 8 times it has taken a support from here. But how nicely will it be able to sustain? Let's see this. If we maintain a trend line also, so it can be like this. If it breaches down, or if again goes up and try to breach the level and go and take a support, let's see how it behaves actually then. So oh, it fell. See how nicely it's breaking the level. It's coming down. So Nifty is looking on a weaker face, and Bank Nifty, if we go on a smaller time frame, is taking support. It's not looking so weak as of now. It's trying to maintain it. This is today's, not even this one. We will put it little more downside. If we try to, yeah, let us make this as a trend line. Reaches or sustains. Nifty went down, but now again a small push is coming from lower levels. Yes, it's taking support. If you observe, this big doji has been made and is taking support now. Nifty is trying to sustain in the setup. Okay, again 12 minutes are there. The problem was only Bank Nifty is also taking support from the trend line. So this is also a nice support. It's okay. Let's see how much it goes. In Bank Nifty, the problem was yesterday this evening star kind of a setup. If you observe, just let me just make this more. Yeah. If you observe, this was these three candles. Sorry, I will just draw it again. Yeah, these three, 1, 2 and these three were creating evening star kind of thing, but this one just reduced today, so it's looking more stronger, and if we go in smaller time frame, it's respecting the trend line. So as far as trend line is respected, nothing to worry. Trend line went, okay, we did it like this. From here, if we go again, we will make it, no issues. Yeah, this was our trend line, Nifty, and Nifty is already supporting. Okay, let's see, such a nice the support is coming back. It's taking a big support and going up. Let's see whether it breaches this and goes up, how it reacts. Okay, 10 more minutes to close this candle. It's very, very clean. See, when you have knowledge about something, or you learn with your experiences, that is the best thing you can give yourself, a gift. It's not like you have to run always behind after the breakout has happened or the movement has happened, because then you will not be able to grasp that profit actually, or that learning. First you should stay quiet, try to understand where you are lagging or where you need to be more. It's not always to be profitable. Sometimes we should gain knowledge. Okay, see, earning is lifetime, but learning should be there first. So now it's time for you to learn and understand. See, no recommendation are given, nothing is given, only making you understand how the market moves sometimes, how to analyze the candles, how to build up the psychology behind it. Okay, so entry and exit can be taken very nicely, but the point is how to maintain that setup, or how to build yourself that confidence that you have to stay in that trade, or how long you are supposed to stay in that trade. That confidence will come when you have that ability to hold yourself in the running market. Okay, so for that, psychology plays a very, very important role. And to build that psychology, you need patience, you need learning. Okay, you need to give yourself time. Clear? When you will give yourself time, then only you can grow. Okay, so now nicely it broke, and then again a reversal. That means the strong bulls are there, they are available, they are trying to sustain. But how far will they be successful? That you have to understand. See, I'm not asking you to enter now or exit now or hold your take something. I'm only telling you, you have to understand how the candle works, how the movement happens, how your psychology is getting disturbed by small candles movement or breakout or false breakout like that. You should be able to hold yourself so strong so that you cannot get deviated by small problematic candles. Okay, okay, so if you feel any questions is in your mind, or you want to ask some doubt or something, you are open to ask. Feel free to ask. I will be happy to answer your questions in this psychology point of view. And meanwhile, we can see Bank Nifty, how it, see, Bank Nifty is also respecting the trend line so beautifully. No problem. Only you are supposed to have that patience within yourself. Bank Nifty is getting back, Nifty is coming back. Both are taking support. For knowledge and understanding, it has been told to you that you have to make yourself confident enough to learn and to sustain in the running market. Okay. See, entry and exit can be done very easily, but to gain knowledge, your time is required, your patience is required, your balanced mind setup is required. Okay, you can write your comments in the chat box. Whoever have joined from the Facebook, whoever has joined from the YouTube, you are most welcome to ask your queries. The only thing I need is discipline, and then wish, real wish from your side, inside your, from your heart, that you want to learn. See, this is a very, very crucial level. Yesterday high, if it breached again, and today high also is broken, then it's very, very good momentum can be expected. See, everything is expected, is a probability, nothing is sure short here. Okay, see, so nicely Bank Nifty is doing as expected, as the probability was there, and Nifty is also trying hard. Bank Nifty is more stronger than Nifty, clearly more stronger than Nifty. Okay. Bank Nifty is doing very slowly building up. 3 minutes left, 3 minutes 32 seconds basically, and here also 3 minutes. Let's see. But Bank Nifty is looking more stronger as of now with respect to Nifty. Okay. Yeah, we'll wait for this candle to close. So first, why Nifty Bank Nifty example is mostly given, not any particular stock, because we have high volume. The volume which we have in Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty we will not see in stocks. Maybe some stocks will be having, but the volatility is very high. Easily to understand, easily to see the candle fatafat, you will see the high level of tendency, how the buyers and sellers are having a tug of war kind of fight kind of a thing. So these candles are more easily, you can see the momentum and you can see the movement, so it's easy to understand, easy to grasp the knowledge. Okay. So once you understand, nothing is difficult for you. One minute 35 seconds here, and Nifty also will check. Nifty also tried very hard to maintain this minute doji kind of a thing, and Bank Nifty is a little more stronger. Let's see, one more minute and this candle will be closed, then we will understand what actually they are trying to, coming on the which side. So before this 1 minute ends, I will just I want to inform you that if you want to learn or if you are interested in trading psychology, because so many people are there, those who have their own setups, their own understanding, their own way of analyzing the trades, but still you have some problem, you are not profitable, or you are getting stuck somewhere, or you are feeling that you are having something is missing in your that is the psychology part which you are not able to understand. So for that, if you are you need some help, you are most welcome to approach this channel, or you are most welcome to ask the help. It will be given to you, it will be personalized as one-to-one also, but basically the psychology part will be improved a lot, because already you have the setups and everything which you are doing. And those who are like beginners in this, they don't know anything about this, they will be helped from the basic level as well. So whatever is your need, you have to understand that. It's not like everybody can be everything. You have to understand what you want and where you are lacking. A small effort from your side can make you more confident in your own approach. See, I'm not asking you to change your setup. I'm not asking you to change your way how you analyze the trade. Everything will be the same. Only I will help you with the psychology part of it, if you need so. And if you don't know anything about it, then from beginning also it could be helped. as per the setup, as per the trade, as per the understanding, every can think like we have. Like, what is your need? That you have to understand. See, everybody has their own problems, and everybody has their own mindset. So, if you have something in your mind, doesn't mean the friend of yours will have the same issue. So you see how nicely Bank Nifty has respected, and if this cross this upper resistance level, that means it's going to give a very nice breakout today. So, and Nifty is okay again strong, and this next candle is open equal to low approximately, not exactly, approximately is 26. You see the values here, 26078 and 26077, some points are there, so it's just approximately open equal to low candle. This Nifty is also coming back, and Bank Nifty is also, but Bank Nifty is still more stronger than Nifty. So we will wait this 13 minutes, and if this 15-minute candle will give you very nice understanding of how the setup is working. Okay, so you have to understand that market will not give what you want. You have to take out from market what you want. Okay. So it's very easy for somebody to tell you that you can take this trade, or do this or do that. Market is going to have a free fall, or market is going to have a boom. Why? Don't just listen what others are saying. Trying to build your own brain. Why this is happening, or why this will happen, or whether this is true. How much percentage is it true? Or will this be a correct breakout, or will this be a fake breakout? How to analyze these things should come from your own self, from your mind. Okay. Very nicely, Nifty and Bank Nifty, everybody is working hard to sustain. Nifty has tried a lot, very strongly is trying. Okay. See, each and every candle gives you one message. Now you have to decode that message. Okay. So for decoding that message, your mental ability has to be as strong as possible. So how can you be strong? You can be strong when you are mentally stable and calm to understand the trade, or understand the setup first. Okay. This is Nifty and this is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty gave a very nice this candle, and again it's little bit struggling here. Can you see it clearly? It's little bit struggling with this fixed candle. So if your entry is correct, your setup is correct, your mind is properly stable, then you can be in that trade as long as you are okay with the waiting period. But how long you are supposed to wait, when you are supposed to enter, instead of asking somebody, be the master of your own trade, because it's your hard-earned money. Okay, so better to learn, give time to yourself, stop and think, is it okay to lose every day 500, 700,000 rupees, or is it worth to stop it, study, give time to your learning, and then come with the full energy to have a new kind of a trade strategy which you have with a proper stable mind. Try it. If you are not getting proper output for few days, 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, 1 month, you should be preparing a journal, right? If that is not giving you the proper result, then stop. Nobody is holding your hands like you have to punch the train now and at this moment only. It's not so. Learn yourself, give yourself some time, build the confidence, analyze your traits, come back with a more stable mindset, and then enter in the market. Market is not going anywhere. See, Nifty gave a small dip kind of a thing, that doji candle it was trying to make, and again buyers are coming and pushing it up. Sorry, this is Bank Nifty. And Nifty is here. Same thing. Nifty is also coming with a good breakout, and Bank Nifty is also coming with a breakout. See, probability. Nothing is guaranteed in the market. It's just a probability we are trying to analyze. That means market is coming back to the stable form. Market is trying to get stabilized. Market is coming back in the form. Okay. See why live I am showing you, or why anybody does live, so that you can see in the running market what is actually happening. When the market is closed, I can show you the close candle and I can tell you this has happened, this has happened. But when you are really sitting in front of the running market, you have to analyze yourself, that you have to stay, you have to be calm, you have to be patient. That will come in the live setups only. But if you have the trading psychology part stronger in yourself, then it is more easy for you. Okay, because after market also we have to analyze for the next day or the next week or the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks content. But in the running market, the psychology plays the most important role. So in that phase, if you need any kind of learning in the psychology part with your own setup, or the new one which you want to learn, or something you want to learn, how to analyze with this mindset, how to understand with this mindset, anything which you want to discuss, you are open to ask. The only condition is you have to be very strong within yourself, that you have to learn, or you are here to learn something. See, earning will be always secondary. First learn. Learning is once you are able to understand everything, once you are confident with everything, learning will be lifetime. First learning is important. So please learn first and then go for the earning. Don't never see the profit, see the journey, how you are going behind it. So first learn what is important for you. Learning is important. Earning is a part of that learning, is the output of that learning. Okay, the first learning is important. Give yourself some time to learn and believe in yourself that you can do this. See, Nifty is still 5 minutes are left for this candle to close. Let's see what Bank Nifty is doing. Again, see, it's not like now as soon as you see a green candle you enter, as soon as you see a red candle you exit. That is not the trade. That is called gambling. We are not here to gamble the things. We are here to learn the market, understand the market. For that only, trading psychology will be the most important part of your journey. If you are a professional trader, if you are a intermediate trader, if you are average kind of a trader, some days you do whenever you are free, or you are not on a daily basis doing whatever, psychology is the important part of each and every person here. Sometimes you have to understand, like without proper mindset you cannot be continuously able to be satisfied with yourself, with your trades in this journey. Maybe 1 day or 2 days you may be, because that can be the gambling part of a thing. Luck must have been good at that day or something. We are not here to believe on the luck. We are here to do some real work. Okay, this is a proper analysis kind of a work. It's not like just take the entry and just come out of the trade. This is not the way. You have to properly understand. So you should understand how to analyze it. So now you see Nifty is still struggling in this area. Let it break. Have patience. Let it break. Let it go out. See, this is 2 days back. Here it is. This channel has been made very strong. This channel. How many times it has been inside this? Let this range be broken, with more confident you will be. And Bank Nifty is still trying to come out of this. Still I am saying here I am not going to recommend anything. Here only we are to discuss and learn the psychology behind the trades. Trading psychology, how it works, how it helps so many people before, and how you can get benefited now. If you feel that you need it and you are supposed to get it, then just have a contact and you will be definitely benefited. But first you have to understand two things: which kind of a trader you are, okay, who you are. Basically who you are means so many types of trading skills are there. Which is your favorite skill, not because it's giving you more profits, or because it should be your skill. You should be skilled in that particular kind of a trade, which is not easy, which will come with practice and with passage of time. Okay, kind of a trade which I mean is like you are a scalper, or you are an intraday trader, or you are a positional trader, or you are a swing trader, or you are a normal investor, or you are sometimes 2-3 kind of things you mix and match and do up. Everything is okay. First of all, nothing is right and wrong in this area. In this, only your setup and your sentiments have to be strong. That is only important. When we study in any, for example, graduation you take, you have to study for 3 years, 4 years to complete a degree and get a certification of a graduate, correct? When you are spending 3 to 4 years there, then post graduation or doctorate or postdoctorate, more higher studies, anything, so you need time to grow. The same way you have to give time in stock market also to grow, but you are not giving time. You are only entering with the money you have. Stop entering if the money is there in your account. It's not like if something is there in your account you have to put in the trade. It's not like that. You have to stop and think, what are you doing actually every day? Morning 9:15 you start punching and till 3:30 you struggle. This is not the actual work. If you are already a professional trader, whenever you get free time you just take up a trade and just do without any analysis. No, have at least 15 to 20 minutes analysis in your brain before taking any trade. Then you will say intraday, this minute of 3 minutes candle, the breakout is coming, then who will think and who will decide? Okay, then take a mindset of intraday trader. No, don't just open the system and sit in front of the system at 9:15 and be an intraday trader. Work hard like an intraday real trader. Those who start from 7 o'clock only in the morning to analyze everything, and day before sleep also, at night also they prepare their everything for the next day. Correct? They do hard work to just punch at 9:15 or the pre-market orders. It's not like you're opening at 9:15 and seeing somebody is okay, saying something, open the trade, okay, this is looking like a breakout, enter. 3 points मिल गया, 5 point मिल गया, happy. ऐसा नहीं है. This is not intraday. Learn from the real intraday traders, those who do hard work before punching any trade. The same way, the hard work of a positional trader who sees and notices the trades, make their entry accurate, or a swing trader who just sees how to where to accumulate more and more slowly, then they get the results. No result is instant. And now you will say scalper gets instant, but scalper mentality, you see, no, how strong they have to be while punching and while executing the trade. And the same way, if it goes in a negative side, they are ready to face their consequences. So each and every person has to be in their own setup, own mindset, then only it will be feasible. Okay, nothing is built in a day. No empire is built in a day. Okay, so you have to do hard work behind this. This setup which looks easy, the entry and exit looks easy from outside, but when you go near it, you will see how much hard work is required to punch a trade, which is a real trade, like sensible trade, accurate from all the sides. Do you have any checklist before entering the trade? No. Do you have any mindset before entering the trade? No. Simply, you have something in your account, you just want to enter. Then this will not sustain for longer. You can do, it's your money, whatever you wish you can do, but it will not sustain longer. To be in the game, be smart. Respect your money, respect your abilities, respect your time, respect your mental health. Okay. When the trades are not as per your setup, do you get disturbed? Very badly. But the problem is you cannot discuss it with somebody. So that's why I'm telling you, build your psychology, do live trade with me, learn the setups. If you have already set up, do join for the live trading. Individually, if you want, that is also okay. But you have to approach for that setup. You have to approach for that understanding. One-to-one live trading is also available. You have to approach. See, until you tell your problem, nobody can help you out. You have to be open about it. You have to be confident that okay, hui galti to hui, fine, let's improve it now. If you will hide your mistake, they are not going to get rectified. Will hiding mistakes will help you to improve? No. Hiding mistakes will not help you. Solving mistakes and not repeating it will help you. Okay. So again, Bank Nifty is still in this area. Let's see whether it broke this lower low of this and break the trend line and give a free fall, or it goes up. Nifty is also struggling there. Okay. those who have joined from Facebook, those who have joined on YouTube. Thank you everyone for giving your time and listening, because that is the first thing anybody can do for himself or herself. Give time to your interest, give time to what you like. Correct? If you are having an interest in the market, or if you are having an interest to be sustaining in the market, that should be your personal interest, then only you can survive. Otherwise you will be frustrated and you will be out and you will not know what happened. So to stay in this and to build your confidence, build your energy level to that point of ability, you have to be consistent, involved in the market. You have to consistently learn, work on your psychology, work on your trading plan, work on your journal which you have to build, and try to read more, try to listen more, and most important, be calm and attentive. More meditation can help you with this, or discuss with your friends. The basic problem is people feel it, they cannot discuss the trades with their family actually, because they will say like, everybody will not understand what is happening, right? So the correct mindset people you should involve with, so that you can share your happiness and share your sorrow at the same level, right? Because mostly when we are in any work culture, so we have colleagues, we have friends, they are sitting with us, or they are around us, we can share the views, some ideas, some talking, something. But when a trader is sitting in front of the system, he's alone in the front of the terminal, neither he can share his happiness, neither he can share his joy, just he feels sometimes alone. So that should not be the case. You have to be mentally strong enough to fight with these kind of negative sentiments. Now see, Bank Nifty again came down and again shifting up, pushing. Same thing Nifty is doing. See, Nifty and Bank Nifty both are in sync. When both are in sync, setup looks okay. Market looks in control. When they are not in sync, then little problem is there. But right now it is looking proper because both are trying to sustain at their levels. Very beautifully here Bank Nifty is trying, and the same thing Nifty is trying at this point, this candle. I think it will be clearly visible to you. Yes, slowly is building up. If you will sit in front of the system from 9:50 to 9:30, it's okay if you have time, but if you don't have, you are busy with some other work or busy with some other kind of work schedule, then you can make your time span like how you can do or how you are supposed to fix it. It can be done like that. You can divert your time where you want to, how much you want to. Again, Nifty is trying very hard. We started from here, and how nicely it is respecting this. See, it's going up, and Bank Nifty is also. This was our entry point. This trend line is being supported, and now it's going up. Yeah. Slowly, your setup is building up. Both are trying hard, but every minute if you take a trade and you enter and exit, that will not work. That doesn't work like that. You have to be patient enough in your work. Okay. Again, Bank Nifty is trying hard to sustain. But it's fighting. It's not giving up. See, never the market will go in one way. It will have a zigzag kind of a trap, like zigzag kind of a move. So it's you who understand how it goes. Okay. Let's see, one more minute is there. They are just fighting. Okay. Last 1 minute, and this candle will be closed. So Bank Nifty is looking still strong, trying to break. Nifty is also fighting in here. This candle. So today we have discussed, we have seen Nifty, Bank Nifty, how the candles are working and behaving, how the psychology is being affected. So again, I am telling you, are most welcome to give your views, share your ideas. It can help to build a community of the people those who are really interested in building the psychology part of it, which has been mostly neglected, as people think only the entry and exit and taking profit is only the trade. No, the journey itself is important more than the destination. Okay. Only last 1 second. Now this candle is closed. So Nifty, this candle is closed. Tried hard. Okay, and now Bank Nifty is also closed, and its new candle is getting ready. Unless you see a proper setup, you are not supposed to do trade. It's not like every trade which you are seeing you are supposed to take. Some maybe sometimes just letting it go is more important than entering and exiting. Every day you will get opportunity, but you should be there in the market, no, to avail those opportunities. Be strong, be confident, analyze your setups, analyze your trades, then enter. This is now 13-minute candle, next 13-minute candle. See, little fight will be there between buyers and the sellers. Obviously, it's not going to give a smooth one-sided move, but you have to decide you are on which side. Every second you can't change your mindset. Okay, green candles are coming, okay, let me take a buy side. Red candles are coming, let me take a sell side. It's not like that. You have to be very clear about your trend, which side you are. So that will come when you really know that why I am taking the entry. Okay. See again, Nifty is trying to come out of this. Very beautifully is coming in this level. Same Bank Nifty must be doing, yes, Bank Nifty is also trying to come up. The probability is looking that market will sustain. Market may give some positive side movement. See, probability I'm again saying may give, is going to give, can be the next candle also, but we can only say because nobody knows what is actually going to happen in the next 15 minutes. But the probability is looking on a positive side because slowly is building up. Yes, meanwhile, if you have any doubts or meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask. It can be discussed. Yes. Okay. So one question came like, what is the importance of psychology in trading? So that is only we were explaining. Okay, the trading part is psychology plays most crucial part in trading. Why? Because without this, how will you? Okay, let me explain you. Psychology is like brain setup, right? It's a critical element of, like we can say, success in market. Okay, because it will make you the influence of decision making. We can say you will be influenced with your decision. When your psychology will be correct, your decision making, that probability will be correct. You will be feeling yourself within yourself very disciplined and consistent, because you will not be like in a haphazard moment, like I have to enter the trade, I have to punch the trade, I have to exit the trade. It's not like. You will be more patient. You will have a proper risk reward in your mind, because you are giving time your trades to execute. You will be more confident in handling losses as well, because they will not be surprised. You will be already pre-informed. Okay, in your setup, like this much is the entry and here is the stop loss, this much losses can be there. So if you do like this, your sustainability for longer will be more higher. So that's why psychology plays. Your fear, greed, whichever is coming inside, psychology will help you to control that emotions. You will not feel overconfident, because whenever you are overconfident, you will do mistakes. And when your mindset is very focused and clear, you will not feel overconfident. You will be feeling accurate, because you are giving time to yourself. Okay. So be careful, be slow, be consistent, be confident. This will help you when psychology will play in your brain. FOMO of missing, fear of missing out. FOMO we say na, fear of missing out. It's not like now only if you will not enter, your 1 lakh is going to get mixed. No, the thing is like that. Every day you will get the good trades. See now, Bank Nifty is again sustaining here. Let's see Nifty how is. Oh, Nifty came out of this confusion zone at least. Okay. This point actually they have given a gift here, dip here, dip here. So this is a very strong resistance kind of a thing for small duration. I'm saying only 15 minutes. This is. If it crosses, then it will be more stronger, obviously. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both are struggling hard to give a nice output actually, but both are in sync. That is the best part as of now, and they are trying very slowly to build it up. And okay, yeah. So I think now you must be able to understand the importance of patience and timing. See, our entry was not entry. When we started, the setup was looking here and it respected the trend line so beautifully, and now it's going up slowly. Same with the Nifty. Okay, when we came, this was the setup here, and then I started telling you what will happen, how the probability is looking positive. It's looking, still it is looking positive, but very slowly it's building up. Okay, so again Nifty, Bank Nifty both are in this zone. This is a kind of a confusion zone, not a confusion zone, means they are in a sideways and little bit momentum they are trying to sustain, but you will not get a big momentum as of now until this level is crossed. Bank Nifty is looking more stronger, but slowly is building up. Okay. Anything else? Okay. Okay, so Bank Nifty and Nifty both are doing nicely, it's sustaining. So Nifty, always remember this is resistance, let it cross, then only we will get a good momentum. And Bank Nifty, if it crosses this level also, it feels pretty good because it's stronger. So we have to wait and watch how it works and how the setup looks. Okay, as of now both are in sync. When both are in sync, their output is proper, like their result is more accurate, which we predict, the probability kind of a thing. Okay, so probability looks good. Okay, yes, and thank you everyone for your kind words, right? Okay, yes, it's nice to see that you are understanding that more than punching in and coming out, the to stay there is more important, right? No problem, fine. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for your time, for your uh, willingness to attend, for your understanding. Be careful, be confident, be consistent, and try to learn. Okay, signing off for now. Stay tuned. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.